This is your amazing Pure Smile flossing toothbrush. Wow, it's got a beautiful box. Got a nice soft case to store everything. These are the charging cables. These are the brush accessories. But this is the machine. And it's pretty well built. It's got a nice hand grip. It's got a water port here. You put water in it. Charge it up. So the kit's a pretty complete kit. It comes with 2 different brushes, tongue scoop, some water picks for your gums, getting into the crevices, and a nose cleaner. Look at that. And drops. These are the spearmint drops. You put 3 drops into your machine, and it's just so good flavor. And there you go, the complete kit. Pure Smile. Put your brush here and fire it up. So we're going to demo that and show you how fantastic it is. So I plugged her in, and you can see this red light is blinking. That's your charge light. So we're going to wait for a charge, then we'll put some water in it, put the toothbrush in it, and try it out. So there you have it. Showing it in action. Pure Smile flossing toothbrush.